Looking for a plant that stays green all year? Meet the Christmas fern, your evergreen garden hero. Welcome to Nursery, your home for native plants and timeless garden tips. Today's blog is entitled Year-Round Green with the Christmas Fern, an evergreen plant that thrives in shade, adds lush texture to your landscape, and stays vibrant all year long. A true low-maintenance garden favorite from Nursery. This native fern keeps its deep green color even in the coldest winter months. It's low maintenance, deer-resistant, and thrives in shady spots. Simply plant it in rich, well-drained soil and watch it grow beautifully with little effort. Perfect for woodland gardens, shady borders, and year-round landscape appeal. Unlike other plants that fade away in winter, the Christmas fern stays bold and evergreen. Add it to your garden today and enjoy vibrant greenery in every season. A true classic for gardeners who love lasting beauty without the fuss. No wonder it's called the Christmas fern, a timeless symbol of life and resilience. Want to enjoy year-round green in your garden? You can buy the Christmas fern today at Nursery. Order now, just click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more garden favorites. See you in our next video.